out. It's loose. They got a hole in it. It needs something. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't look under it, but made it to the shop now. Look at it. This whole thing is loose. I don't even think it's connected. I don't think it's connected down here. I don't think, but it's hot, so I'm not gonna touch it. But we're at Tony's Custom Exhaust. Cleaned up the car this morning before I took it out. So let's see what it does. So I was like, man, it sounds like it's a hole in the muffler.
Didn't you just put these on?
I did.
Yeah, because they
broke again?
Yep.
Oh my God.
That's probably what didn't help with that, you know?
Right.
But to put a new muffler on it, and I'll try to figure out a hanger for it.
Nice.
I don't think that hanger's gonna bring it.
Nope.
I did the same up here.
Alright, we putting it together. We got the exhaust back on here. The whole thing is ride it out. This is crazy. Yeah.
Going to the BBS
yeah.
Show in Norfolk.
Oh, I'm gonna miss it, bro. I'm gonna miss that one. I'm gonna be out of town, man. Yeah, that joint gonna be crazy though. Yeah, just talking about the BBS show, the DJ Envy show that's going on in Hampton, Virginia. That joint's gonna be crazy live. Wish I could make it, but I'm gonna be out of town. That's dope. Yo got that Impala SS, but I'm about to get on out of here. I was talking to the guy Chauncey. I was telling him, man, look, he got an ACK and he got a Bubble X. I was telling him, come on out, you know, meet the guys. You know, it's a cool group of people. We don't judge even if you in building and process. Look, I rolled how many years with no paint job? Come on out. And it's a great way to network, you know, just in case you need some pieces to your car, especially you got that Acura. You got that ACK Legend. There's a couple guys that got the ACK Legends that you could probably pick their brain and maybe able to share some expertise, drop some gems, you know, share some resources. That's what we all about. But man, I gotta use the bathroom, and then I'm gonna get on the road and mosey on down. So I'll check you out in a bit. Yep, we back to riding regular, y'all. Man, we back to riding regular. Man, there was an audio place around here back in the day. I wonder if it's still here. You know what? I got some time. I'm gonna go up and then go down. I want to see if that audio place still out here. Can't remember where it was, but that's the first place where I got my sound system on a decibel reader back in the day. Not sure if it's still out here, but we're gonna see. Got a Honda Accord V6. Exhaust sound good. Man, I don't know why everybody try to race me through. My car, like, it's fast or something. This thing is a cruiser. Now I have thought about, man, swapping out the engine and making this joint fast. Like 400 horses. A 400 horsepower Saab would be crazy. Maybe in the future, but definitely not right now. All right, y'all, we celebrating the missus' birthday. But about this meatball, Wagyu meatball. This is the best meatball I've ever had in my life. I am digging in, I'm smashing it. Shout out to Shop Take Annapolis. Some little appetizers going on. But yeah, this meatball, oh my goodness. And also the missus got some points. Wonder how they do it. Alright, I'm about to dig into that meatball, y'all. I'm telling you, it is slammed in. All right, I went with the chicken breast, C-swan, green beans, and wifey has, what is that?
Chalpino.
What is it?
Chalpino. Chalpino.
Chalpino. That's good, that's good. All right, we're waiting for the Blue Angels. They're supposed to be flying in the skies today, even though it's kind of cloudy, but they said it's on. We're about to dig in when the missus come back. It's cheesesteak and salted caramel ice cream.
Happy birthday, thank you for celebrating. Thank you, gentlemen. It's been lovely. Yes, thank you.
All right, you got to make a wish.
A prayer.
Make a wish. Prayer.
All right, we're going to take this. I'm just letting thank you.
Let's take a look at the gift from Jade.
I might just
That's
put it
pretty.
in his face. I'm talking about in. When I'm burnt down.
Look at that. This is so cute. Oh, flip-flops. Elephants. They have great memories of looking at them. Stars. Oh. Oh, paw prints. Oh my gosh. I love it.
All right, we're live at the potato coop. They're supposed to have the nicest, juiciest, goodest. Are they open? Cheesesteaks in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. This is where we're gonna celebrate Mrs. birthday at. Birthday celebration today. Let's see if they open. Nope, they're not open. They're open at 11. It is 11:06. Well, let's see if they're gonna open up in a bit, because they're not open right now. All right, y'all, so Potato Coop are closed, man, on that Pennsylvania schedule. On their door, it said that they were open today and only closed Sunday. But should have went to their website. Their website said that they're closed. So we're about to hit the Wendy's. I'm not gonna get anything from here. I'm just gonna use the bathroom. I think the missus is about to get something from here. Little one might get something from here, but we're headed to Art Fest, downtown Harrisburg, which is about 10 minutes away. I'm gonna take my chances there, and hopefully they got a food truck, you know, with some good foods that I can eat. So there we have it.
1 hour later.
What building is this? I don't know. Gotta look it up on the map. Downtown Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Good views, I tell you. Gone, can't see him. He up there somewhere. It's almost 4 o'clock. It's almost over. Where they at? All right, there they go. I'm like Voltron. Right. They gotta be like over here somewhere. Let's zoom out. Alright, there they go.
Look. They all went out and then turned.
Next day.
Yo, man. Tried to go to the Cold Stone Creamery out White Marsh. And that thing was jam-packed. I mean, the line had to be about a 30-minute wait for the line. So we decided to go up the street another 30 minutes. And we're now at Bel Air. There's still a line inside, but the line isn't as long. It's probably about maybe, I don't know, probably like a 5-minute wait inside. Not too big, not too heavy. So, y'all Bel Air, just chilling. Memorial Day, y'all. Fam out with me in the drop, and we just cruising. Radio overload. Yeah, that looks good. Going with the same thing that mom looks with.
Let me just try.
What's that called again? Banana crunch caramel.